preaching chords in the key of E flat. So, E flat major, that chord is that you have E flat and B flat. Then you got G, B flat, and E flat. The first one is you got G and D in your left hand, which is the bass part, just like with all the other videos. And then on your right hand, you got F, B flat, and then B, and then E flat stays the whole way through. It does not move. Then you got. Then the next one you have A flat, E flat. Then you have F sharp, then B flat, C, and then E flat. Then the next one you got A and E in the bass. Then you got F sharp again, then A, then C, and then E flat. The next one is B flat and then F in your left hand. Then you have A flat, B flat, C, and then E flat. And then you can just end it with the home, which is the E flat major chord. So that's the. So the next part of the E flat preaching chords, so you have your, then you want to do, which is basically the second part of it. So that's the A flat part. So you have your, now when you go into the second part, which is the A flat part, you hear that A flat, stays the whole way through when you put in the chords. So you got C and G, then you have B flat, E flat, then E, and then A flat. The second part for that one is C sharp, A flat, then you got B, E flat, F, and then A flat. For the next one, you got D and then A, then you got B, D, F, A flat. Then you go to the E flat part, which is E flat and then B flat. Then C sharp, E flat, F, and then A flat. So when you have that part down, then when you put it together, you'll get. And that's how you do it.